guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Doris. Okay, for now, sorry, Doris.
May I see what you be yourself? Okay, now, almost finished. Oh, Jesus. Go.
Adeo.
Hello.
One secret house when I send you. Let you follow you, Jimmy.
Anytime when all of it just take on this. Anytime when all of it just take on this woman, all of it will just put the phone for speaker. Anytime. Nah, wow. Anytime. Should not put. They'll pass you by, you see the call. I know they like him. So don't the pass you by, no say the person is busy. What the all of it? Anytime when grace just they call you, you just get special for when you they put for grant for grace. Now wow. Friendship. Now so grace sit the record of all of it. Because when I wait till 12 then they talk, because they don't say matter will still come. So that if grace they play you or John of will see they play you. Once you just say hello, or John of before John of go pick the call, you already go take phone when she wants you stay record. The day when she called me for grace, oh, now she call me, oh, now she can still go record me. I say, see this one. Wait, I follow you talk. I tell her, say, I better tell Grace and make Grace. May not they do that rubbish again. She quick and record them. And that thing when you do now, nobody will feel they call you. Even if they say something now, say you're something, I call cheap pass. They will say instead of them to call you, they will go back for another place. If you let me that place, it's here. Now that one I safe pass. No. Not be everything you just the record. I don't get time. Person can't call me upon the record. And it's like they no can't trust me. Where shall you good? Now your work be down. Everybody get what you take on Facebook. Madam recording. She's a madam recording. Make you play this thing.
Facebook, yeah, so it be like those me.
So, no, the one where the Monica screenshots, I've been
the house when Odolove be they think. Odolove be they think say na Kate house for Nigeria. Now Odolove be they think. You know say na the one when they abroad.
No, I don't know. Not be Monica, I don't know. This one I send her for me. Monica don't show her. Look at face.
and Monica screenshot this one. I ain't doing yesterday.
Now happy send her this morning.
Monica the screenshot yesterday. See how so person they live for Europe.
It says CK house and they follow mommy love they make much. That is with the bad man.
Oh, I see how they screenshot her yesterday. I say, oh, what a shame. The online video take cost me yesterday. Cost my husband. I never watched that video. No, say I'm not there as yesterday. When I take come, nice. I take come back.
Just they deliberate on video where you do say now you carry me come, now you can't disgrace me, now you scatter me for Facebook, you just scatter my life, this, that. And no problem. You go see what you define. You say my womb, I don't go shop my womb. I mean I go meet like 5 people, me give me belly, one coffee get belly. You go see what you define. No worry.
I go live just now, just come back. I say make I rest more. I'll go live.
No worry. If you see who patient tell her, he go know say I go born today and tomorrow. He go shame. Like what I tell them say, any saga when we say my sister saga me or anything talk about me, that one a sister's quarrel. It's not in my mind. It's not in their right to tell me that this is what my sister say. Not consign them. When they go do their own, talk their own, more we hear their own. They not get anything they want to tell me.
They don't that fire around. Faith, where we can be 20 years childhood friend. They not quarrel. They don't not swear for her. They don't quarrel. They don't destroy themselves. And they come for her.
No one friend. He said Opaika come tell us, say, me I write post before. I said I want to come and clear the general public. Now Opaika now I want to talk to before. People call me.
What's it
now Opaika because me I don't understand why every time Opaika he say Opaika talk say waiting me talk, waiting me tell you when you take put on for live video for speakers so say no good, say Opaika say you follow me quarrel, say you blame me. For where? Yeah. For where for follow me quarrel, for where for blame me. That is what I don't understand. So I'm not going to go life now. I write post that I won't go life. I know. I say no. Me and you talk yesterday. You cause and say they do video call these people there today. That made me no talk for that matter again.
Okay, so like I tell her like that.
Tell her say the way I tell they tell you say now Kate do Kate and Rita do mercy. Say what you take put on for speaker. Say that word doing a talk. Say follow me quarrel. Say no good. For where for follow me quarrel the quarrel. Me I know.
And I understand. No. Okay.
You understand? You know what the person do? Do now they talk.
Oh. Oh. No, so make a deal. Make a two face.
They surprise me. They shock me. They surprise me. That kind of do video. It also Opaika say me they beat me well. Say because say I robo, but when they leave in brother. But it concern me. They don't know what it is, my mind. They don't know say what are the ways since as God don't give me. So if I manage born finish, they go see another grace.
I talk, not be like that one. I not go deny that one. But I can two face. You know, I'm not like that.
It's just the carry the talk they go because before Kate they gone that matter so back so she talking.
No, Kate don't say talking. Kate don't say talking. That's true. They talking now. Kate don't say talking before now.
Now so they tell me they say Kate don't talk more than 3 times.
He don't talk more than 3 times now. Sure. That be news now.
I don't know where for tell me that kind of thing. I know why you say.
I got a destroyer.
I know why you say. Tell me say that you want to go call me not good. I know you am.
Okay. I need go live for back. I beg you. Baika matter. No.
May they beat me.
Baika, there's not so Baika can.
May they beat me.
Baika two face. For that one, not true.
May they leave it. May they. No problem. Robo not be human being. No problem.
Baika na pretender. Not two face. Now where be that?
Thank God.
Baika not be human being. Baika na human.
No, I just say make I.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, Jerry.
Disgrace. So now you will call the disgrace.
I don't know. I don't even enter Facebook success. No?
Make you manager like that.
I don't even enter Facebook. I don't even know if you write that kind of post. I better rest. I don't even talk. You know if you do video. You know if you do video, I beg. No water. If he call you, you complain to her. If he call you, that's why I see her rich. If she call you, tell her your mind. You understand?
They don't call me. Oh, the Kate no, if he call me.
No, Baika, not be Kate. Baika.
Even when Kate they talk the matter that time, I tell her, I send her the voice because they record them. Say for me. I send her the voice. He said me I not mind her. Say don't pass. Okay, keep bringing out different issues.
Okay, don't pass. No see because he guilty. He say don't pass. But it's not good now.
Say me cannot mind. I say don't pass. I say yeah, no problem, don't pass.
You see, you know it's now. Me, you cannot say it one. You talk.
No, he said don't pass.
No, see, I don't pass.
All these women there for Facebook, they just like by day corner, they do their own, they go, they get their click.
I'm telling you.
Like, all the women click. All the women click for Facebook.
Everybody, even the old women click, they don't run for Bika. Bika don't dress over the knee. They don't run. Bika. If you use like cost of fashion everywhere, two face. Bika don't be better.
All of them, they wait too.
Go talk here. Bika, you're possible. Not your man, not your man, and break. Since you say don't pass, you forget. No, come because of what they do. You never old, boy. They're stupid. You never old. 50-something years old. Hey, I don't understand.
No, for their side, it don't old. Now, old woman, may they live anything like me, toxic.
50-something old.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not easy to reach 50 now.
Yeah. Our place 50 never old though. 50 now still young, but now it's still young. 50 now still young for our place. Some people
50 see the marry.
Yes, now. Again, one woman, I'm not be 50, just see the love of your life. 50 never old though, for me, 50 something. Never old.
They took a knock over.
Yes, now.
50, they took a knock over.
I guess I get one mama that time, now 50 something that time, 9 years or 8 years ago. If you see this man, I'll go there, she cast dress. She not trouser today, forget. Notice na small pikin.
Disgrace for your mind. As you marry, you don't know say you marry. You go say, see small girl when Grace marry. Now so he carry picture come out. May una come see small boy when lovely the friend do. May una come see small boy when lovely the friend do. Because she no fit get small boy. The one where you marry so Grace, why she not go jealousy you? Grace, she must jealousy you. Go na come Facebook, go na come see small boy when lovely marry. That is small boy the lovely go fi avec akara. Go na come see small boy when lovely go fi out akara. He got the shot, he got the fool herself for there. I mean now, I can't do like this. They look and say, if you need young guy, let me know. May I find young guy, give you. Since you the jealousy people when they carry young guy. Wait till you be think before. The day where you be, and you will see some the day now, they're going to friend young guys. They straight. Those matured women, they are straight matured women. You know straight, you bend. Now it makes they had you. No, now come this one man I go enjoy this saga. She got the fool as I say, see this one also. I say, they say 9 people they say, this man handsome, this man handsome man, this man handsome man. Because she want to do video. They not worry. The day when you go come greet me, I will put her for Facebook. You go they talk. No don't look back. Who will get time for you? You know go feel friend rich man. You know go feel friend. I don't know the kind of life when she did live. She know go feel friend young boy. She know go feel friend rich man when he get money. She just dey. This woman too poor. Her poverty they stink. She's too poor. I don't know why she's poor like this. Now they can they fight everybody. Grace still say now one cow now they come from one village where they call her Zebu. Grace they say only Zebu one day. Oh one again e dey na witch na temptation. E dey na witch na temptation. Grace, you dey say you dey cry for outside camera say e dey na witch, e dey put life for your head. Na so she can put life for people head. That time na so she dey put life for my head though. She go lie. She go lie. As I tell her say, as they come go, they send Grace, make Grace go village, make go carry house come out. As Grace come back, she not satisfied. She can't go, they ask question, they go. She they ask question, she can ask question. She be question asker. Now one woman I carry go lovely village. The woman she bring one village picture. You go see the Grace. She go see the insult you. She say, she just from worry. If you never know, na person wey tell, na the person can't come you. That person there, we worry. As you hear do talk. Since Grace no bring exactly what you want for where lovely day, forget. He say no. Grace, she go village. Instead of her to ask question where, she just see house. She said she just say waka dey come. She just see house. She just carry the house. She come carry her enter Facebook. He say Grace the video everywhere. The person say cause I say the day na witch. He say he no say with lovely the quarrel. But she just go village. She just enter Ishan land. She just go carry house come. As he carry the house come, she just carry and put for Facebook. She start to share and Grace, wait your Okpaka talk. Now they tell you so. Wait till the person say Okpaka talk. He said she don't begin to share. Everybody begin to share. He say wait till she want. Say Grace no do one. He said this one when Grace carry come. He say more forget. Now the woman come to say And he said no say lovely they insult me. Oh, I don't say lovely. Me why lovely why you make your bomb lovely why you make my bug be or one as it they speak that you kimi this thing about this thing. He said instead of Grace to go find where lovely for come. No, he reach room he no see. He when he say Grace say he be this thing investor. Anything when they find, he say Grace go see go carry and come. He say Grace. He reach room yo. He waka for room. She no see anything carry come for room. Now he carry he go Igwebe. As he just reach there, he just see one man for outside. He just the video the man. They carry and they share him. He say they don't wish. They say they don't wish. Come to say if now she see a dress like that, if he reach that couple and when Grace go the video. The house. He say he no will first start. He go pretend. He go ask question for them. If he ask question finish, say then before he go. He say now even that house self when he bring cause say now that one he go bring come out later. He say to tell the person say that same village when Grace go carry house come. He say another house they there. Lovely family another house they there. Now the person come say he say yes. Say now so they tell him. Now the person come to say, Grace don't already go come. The person say, Grace don't already go come. No, if you go again. He say, Grace must go. Oh, my boyfriend said, "Me all chasing na no job big mama come." He said, Grace must go because now that time. Now they call they say Grace go back there. You know. Now I got to say I agree because Grace must go. Now they can't tell Grace. Now Grace can't call one person. He can't tell the person say make they donate. Now the person can't say donation for working. He say he want to go back to lovely village again. Now the person got to say, now what for you? The place where you first go, you see her take come on for there. You want to go back there again. What do you want to go do? He say that place when you carry come out, say not be that real place, not be that they find. Now person got us, person when tell you say they find that place, why you not tell the person say make it go find that place by itself, bring and come for you. Now person say you want to go back to that village again, say yes. Now the person tell us say if you go back to that village, Grace, you know now. You know say I not dey lie. Anything I talk about you, I don't lie. Now the person got tell us say if you go back to that village again, don't put my eyelashes. This my makeup, my makeup. He say if you go back to that village again, what did they go do you? He say now the person say your advice Grace, say Grace, forget. The one when you carry come, if that one not satisfied them, leave them. He don't do. He say you will go there again. Say the time when I call you police, say arrest Grace. Now that time now the person come say, the person come call me. He say everything when Grace they do, say see am, because they tell me now. Tell am say okay, I know. He say now he stop Grace, so if not. He say if not, he say Grace will go back. These allergies no dey try talk. I don't know as Chinese they do these allergies. Me I use another one. The allergies no dey try at all. If I fix these allergies, it must get problem. If you see most allergies now, when these Chinese people they do now, sometimes it go be like say now the same. When I say now they say before, if they do allergies, you go know right, you go know left. Now they know right, they know left again. Make I play this thing.
If they cut back our old,
they don't leave themselves for all those women. They don't leave themselves for.
If they back our old, me I go to look at one can say, person never reach 60, not old. Person never reach 60, never old.
They know one year.
This is where.
Maybe you know say Facebook, they know they talk their real age.
No, Baika never reach 60. I bet you know see he face he down the eye. He body they show old age, but he never old like that now. Never old. For my family, they not fit 50 something say that old though. No, for my family, no. 50 something, it's still young now.
Yeah, young.
Now this Facebook me they see and say 50 something, they'll say don't old.
They say they be old mama.
No. For my place, if 70 years die, 80 years they'll say not old self. Even 80 years they'll say not old. Mama will die 80 something. With me they talk and say mama not old self. I thought that's for 50 something.
We say no, you not enjoy rich. My own died for 68. You know old rich now they talk about.
Oh.
68, now mama for that.
They claim old mama for there. Yeah, oh, thank you, my sister. Though I hope you did okay, Sha. You are okay. I hope you are bouncing.
Okay.
You don't finish. At that place now, like.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Doris. Okay, for now, sorry, Doris.
May I see what it be yourself? Okay, now, almost Sha. Oh, Jesus. Let's go.
Adeo.
Hello.
They follow you, they make money. Facebook, yeah, so it be like those me.
So no, the one where the Monica screenshots. I've been
No, I don't know. Not be Monica, I don't know. This one I send her for me. Monica don't show her. Look her face.
and Monica screenshot this one now. I didn't do one yesterday.
Now happy send her this morning.
Monica the screenshot yesterday. See how so person they live for Europe.
See Kate house and they follow mommy love, they make much. That be with the bad man.
Oh, I see how they screenshot her yesterday. I said, oh, what a shame.
In live video, take cost me yesterday, cost my husband.
I never watched that video. No, sir, I'm not there as yesterday. When I take come, nice. I take come back.
Just they deliberate on video where you do say now you carry me con, now you can't disgrace me, now you scatter me for Facebook, you just scatter my life, this, that. And no problem. You go see what you define. Say my womb, I don't go shop my womb. I mean I go meet like 5 people, me give me belly, one for get belly. You go see what you define. No worry.
I go live just now, just come back. I say make I rest more. I'll go live.
No worry. If you see who patient tell her, you go no say I go born today and tomorrow. You go shame. Like what I tell them say, any saga when be say my sister saga me or anything talk about me, that one a sister's story. It's not in my mind. It's not in their right to tell me that this is what my sister say. Not consign them. When they go do their own, talk their own, more hear their own. They don't get anything they want to tell me.
They don't that fire out. Faith, where we can be 20 years childhood friend. They not quarrel. They don't want no swear for her. They don't quarrel. They don't destroy themselves. And they come for her.
No one's friend. He said, Opaika come tell us, say, me I write post before. I said I want to come and clear the general public. Now Opaika now I want to talk to before. People call me.
What's it
now Opaika because me I don't understand why every time Opaika. He said Opaika talk, say, waiting me talk, waiting me tell you, where you take put on for live video, for speakers so. Say no good. Say Opaika say you follow me quarrel, say blame me. For where? For where for follow me quarrel, for where for blame me. That's what I don't understand. So I'm not going to go life now. I write post that won't go life. I know. I say no. Me and you talk yesterday. You cause you they do video call these people there today. That made me no talk for that matter again.
Okay, so like I tell her like that.
Tell her say the way I tell they tell you say now Kate do Kate and Rita do mercy. Say where you take put on for speaker. Say that word doing a talk. Say follow me quarrel. Say no good. For where for follow me quarrel the quarrel. Me I know.
I understand. No. Okay.
You understand? You know what the person do now they talk.
Oh. No, so my God, my God, not too safe.
They shock me. They surprise me. That time I do video. It also Opaika say me they beat me way. Say because I have robo, but when they live in brother. But it consign me. They don't know what they my mind. They don't know say what are the ways since as God don't give me. So if I manage born finish, they go see another grace.
I talk, not be like that one. I'm not going to deny that one.
Yeah.
My kind of two face. You know, I'm not like
that. It's just the carry the talk, the go. Because before Kate, the gum that matter so back so she talk.
No, Kate don't say talk. Kate don't say talk. That's true. They talk now. Kate don't say talk before now.
Now so they tell me, they say Kate don't talk more than 3 times.
He don't talk more than 3 times now. Sure.
Kate don't talk more than.
Not be news now.
I don't know where for tell me that kind of thing. I know why you say.
I got a destroyer.
I know why you say you don't tell me say that you want to go call me no good. I know you am.
Okay. I need go live for back. I beg you. Baika matter. No.
May they beat me.
Baika, there's not so Baika can.
May they beat me.
Baika na two face. For that one, not true.
May they leave vision. May they. No problem. We will not be human being. No problem.
Baika na pretender. Not two face. Now in way be that.
Thank God.
Baika cannot be human being now. Baika na human.
No, I just say make I.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, Jare.
It's good. So now we will call the disgrace.
No, I don't even enter Facebook. Sisters, no?
Make you manager like
I
that.
don't even enter Facebook. I don't even know if you write that kind of post. I better rest. I don't even talk. You know if you do video. You know if you do video, I beg. No water. If he call you, no complain to her. If he call you, that's why I see her rich. If she call you, tell her your mind. You understand?
You know, call me. Oh, the Kate no, if he call me.
No, Baika, not the case. Baika.
Even when Kate they talk the matter that time, I tell her, I send her the voice because they record them. Say for me. I send her the voice. He said, I don't mind now. Say, don't pass.
Imagine.
Okay, keep bringing up different issues.
Okay, don't pass. No, see, because you're guilty. Say, don't pass. But it's not good now.
He said, I don't mind now. I say, don't pass. I said, yeah, no problem, don't pass.
You see, you know it's now. But you don't say it's one. You talk.
No, he said, don't pass.
No, see, don't pass.
All these women there for Facebook, they just like by day corner, they do their own, they go, they get their click.
I'm telling you.
All the women click. All the women click for Facebook.
Everybody, even the old women click, they don't run for Baika. Baika don't dress over the knee. They don't run. Baika. If you use like constitution everywhere, two face. Baika not be better.
All of them, they wait too.
Go talk here. Baika, yeah, personal. Not a man, not your man, and beg. Since you say don't pass,
Thank you for everything. Thank
don't
you.
forget. No, come
They don't pass on.
because of that they do.
Now,
He never old, but they're stupid. He never old. 50-something years old. I don't understand.
No, for their side, it don't now woman make them live anything like me talk take.
50-something old.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not easy to reach 50 now.
Yeah. But yes, 50 never old though. 50 now still young, but now it's still young. 50
see the bar repair.
Some people
50 see the marry.
yes now. Again one woman, I'm not be 50, you just see the love of the life. 50 never old though, for me, 50 something. Never old.
They see the not cover.
Yes now.
50, they see the not cover.
I guess some I will get one mama that time, now 50 something that time, 9 years or 8 years ago. If you see this mama, oh God there, she cast dress, she not trouser today, forget. You're sitting as small picking. If they cut back her old.
They don't leave themselves for all those women. They don't leave themselves.
If they back her old, me, you're going to look at one guy say, person never reach 60, not old. Person never reach 60, never old.
They're not 1 year.
This is where.
Maybe say Facebook, they know they talk their real age.
No, Baika never reach 60. I bet you know, see, he face he down of the eye. He body they show old age, but he never old like that now. Never old. For my family, they not fit 50 something say that old though. No, for my family, no. 50 something, it's still young now.
Yeah, young.
Now this Facebook me they see and say 50 something, they say don't old.
They say they be old mama.
Yeah. No. For my place, 70 years die. 80 years, don't say not old, self. Even 80 years, don't say not old. Mama will die 80 something. Me, they talk and say mama not old, self. I thought that's of 50 something.
We say no old, you know, enjoy rich. My own died for 68. You know old rich now they talk about.
Oh.
68, my mama for that.
They claim old mama for there. Yeah, oh, thank you, my sister. Though I hope you do okay, Sha. You are okay. I hope you are bouncing.
Okay.
Everywhere, allergies. I don't even know the one when I want to do. Allergies. Let me check whether this one good.
Oh, Salova. Oh, Mono Hoa Baika. Gewe. Hoa, Udegi, Kebuwe Bua, where ya fail Baika. Si Dede we mumu, si Opaika we mumu, si Dede we mumu, si Dede we get boyfriend. Dede we get boyfriend. Si Dede we huwa. Dede we mumu. My kuna see Dede o. Dede kweka mono huwa. Mono huwa wadoge go ni san ya valo ni sayada. Ya solo ni sawa ge ne kuemu. Ge omono huwa. Wa gbe o pa ika wa lori ari. Si Dede. In this picture they make me laugh. Since I see her since day before yesterday. I laugh. Oh, I so thank God for this social media, We know they delete something. Internet that never forgets. I so thank God they know they delete. All this year when you they do now. Yes, good morning. Mona see the day we mumu. I laugh, Laugh what give me since day before yesterday. I say no. I must show this picture. I must bring and come at me. People follow me laugh. No wage. Oh mono hoa. Oh money go no be a baby. Oh go ogbu o vatoni gedu ma oga gbo o vato onisano ma mana no wedo ran una do ran magbo le mina onisana Holy Ghost fire oh maybe no jo disana no ma mala ya kapeka Holy Ghost fire. I command Holy Ghost fire to begin to roast this nyash, to burn it. I command the fire of the Holy Ghost to descend right now. Fire of the Holy Ghost fire, come and roast this nyash. I ogwame mi no paika yo nisana kano do mufuana. O money go no vie baby. Holy Ghost. Si Dede we get boyfriend. Dede we mumu. Si Dede we mumu. Oh, I so much thank God for social media, for internet. Me again where you are deleting in here. Why is again? Me dokpa gay utobo ya suhu we can ude. Who defia moi? O vatoni gedu ma igwe no gbu. Igwe no gbu egbunisa we na no mama na. Ona we ya o ya foka be. Mi na na ge ave boyfriend si we no ku yuga. Nu na ji ya exchange uga promising ya guga we benia. O modan. No gun ana gbu e. Nu lori ari. Ni va bo mu a o. Wa afin agwo pa ika. Ogun oga gbo emi nu do yo ni sana ya kanu do mu me agbon ve yin na. I command the fire of the Holy Ghost upon this church. Holy Ghost, more than the right Holy Ghost fire. The Okpeka cannot fit go open this church for me like this. He got what she take on me. Ogun oga gbo ni su wena ve na. Hey, this fire, I command you right now to go back to hell. Go back to hell. That hell fire where you come out from. This is not a normal nyash. This is not a normal nyash. Fire of the Holy Ghost. Descend upon this nyash. This nyash, or Baika nyash. Fire this nyash. Fire, 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 fire. Fire, fire, fire. Well, I beg, I don't want anybody to laugh. Hey, fire, fire. Yes, yes, Mona, the right Holy Ghost fire. If I say Holy Ghost, Mona go right fire. Because this nyash, no, this is a demonic nyash. This is a demonic. Baika want to use this nyash to possess some people. God will not allow you, Opaika. Wait till you use this nyash. This ugly nyash. This war nyash. Almost see de we mumu. De we mumu. De we zua. De no zua. De no my boyfriend. De no my boyfriend. Mona see Opaika nyasha see ugly. Si. He twa. Oh, Nisano go, Nisano Wiala. He can't be gay. Only gay. One senior walk by Kawonga. Also, now Nissan wear that. Eka be, ya gay. Oh, you're touching you're not there. 1 euro. Boy, only a fiegi kebena. If was any kebena and a fiegi, in a way, maybe this nyash is possessed by some demonic spirit. Huh? Ina go me no roni sana imageri ojo ogele wo ije omomo na sin nyash way ugly no wonder this nyash no dey shake us upon he go wear that open market tight of 1 euro abi 2 euro that they sell for open market upon no he go try to shake and this nyash no dey shake Okay, this is a demonic nyash. Some evil spirit they inside this nyash. I command the fire of the Holy Ghost. Oh yeah, fire, Holy Ghost. Mona right fire. We don't leave this nyash. This nyash must enter the bottomless pit. Bottomless pit. We command you to go back to her. This nyash, wherever you are from, to come and where you are, huh? When we do legendary, when we do je where oh nisu when no man ni no go now nisi sana. Wa go ni saje is jemi. Uni sa wa wo fire. Mona de command fire inside this nyash. Whatsoever demon that is inside this nyash, make it come out. Maybe that demon where they worry and towards Benin, where should they take throw every ugly word towards Benin. Maybe na inside this nyash, na that demon day. Whatsoever demon of throwing bad words to Benin Kingdom that is inside this Okpaika nyash, I command you to die now by the fire of the Holy Ghost. Die by fire. Fire, oh, Holy Ghost. Hey, Holy Ghost. Ogun oga gbo ni sana vena. Okpaika. Ona oni sana mama nu we yaku wiere ya yuga oga promising e be. Omo mona si de we mumu, de day we the lock boyfriends for inside house. Oga jinya exchange, o si e dia begging ya. Oga no even ya exchange on in ya no we fear with ye to another boyfriend no ku yuga ba no ya deceive wiere ogun ga we benia. Iya ga iguogo ekpekusu guogo o kekere neni gugu we oga ine odo gwale kokpa.
Darkness woman. Now soup neither they go carry. You go cook ogbolo. You go cook ogbolo with okra together. Cook a goosey with tomatoes together. Yallow everything. You go come give them. Sometimes they give her money make take cook for them now soup when you cook for them, then she go come take for inside. No be she get the soup. She go dey tell say, "Man, you buy lovely, lovely. They come here, come see. You buy not man." She no get husband. I talk her if you feel married for this Facebook, I will marry 2 men at the same time. If you feel married for this Facebook, me I go marry 2 men at the same time. If I feel married, I will bribe my pale. I tell my pale say the day when we go come pay bride price, just see collect am. Now 419 marriage now I want do. But my pale will say, okay, no problem. You know, say my pale na ala lobo, ala lunu, na my pale be. My pale, I will say na be Nigeria, those state governor. He go corrupt those state well. Because my papa na corruption man. He corrupt well. You say, or what corrupt? I know. No say they talk truth. My papa is a corruption man. He's very corrupt. Or what corrupt if what? You see, Milaki. Yeah, may I play and may you come insult a day like you. Come insult a day like you. A day not better.
Go à l'école par l'argent, on veut quoi ni l'argent, on veut mauvais là-bas. Ne qui a na boué. Ne cassava na boué, go ni sano maman. Nous qui vient ya fie qui a dit. On ni san.
Darkness woman, Milaki. E de na yish. The men when they come na soup they call they carry. They no fit enter the day na wish pekus. E de na wish pekus don't get tumor. They don't get stone. As you face be. Na so akpekus be. Everything for your body now ball. I don't say as your body make nye. Na so it total make nye. Which prick you want that? The men when they can't show now, the men they not carry prick. Now small prick now the men carry. Small prick. Small cassava now the men carry. The cassava not the rich ground. There is no need. When the men they not the do vagaran. They will carry soup. Now they say, man, I can't use soup because it is my husband. You know how many men she don't show to Facebook? When she come disgrace herself finish, she go come to say, they say, they didn't see your husband. Your husband, they talk like grand say. Yeah, they say, they didn't see your husband. Now this one, Richard, you carry come out today. That's also commenters they tell her. Bad commenter, they say, old witch, which one you carry come out today? Not be the one when they talk that they not be the voice be this one. Which one? They don't know the voice of the men when they carry they come out. Different voice of the men when they carry come out. They'll say they don't know which one go look muyo with that barry. And so she they do. She they bring different men come out. She's a useless woman. She's a nuisance. She's a nuisance to the community when for come. Me like king, see may I tell you. No, the acting okay, son. He come for Igbanke. Now Igbanke then she for come. If you want his sultan, they call like they don't know which one come for Igbanke. They don't know which one come for Igbanke. Igbanke yen carry. Yen ye son. Remind. Because if you dey insult Isha, no go dey pay now. Because now Igbake for come. And you want be the Milan king now. Now you call the insult your people. You can't let Okpeka the insult Benin. You take if matter come, the way when she dey talk put, you not like her. Now Igbake, because if they insult Isha, you go dey laugh. You can't dey insult Benin. What I call you? You can't dey insult Benin. Milaki. The same time you go dey insult Isha. And she when you dey insult now, she come for Igbake. You go come be like say, and you can't dey insult Benin, insult Isha. You see I'm Milaki. If you talk now, one start to insult well now for come. Milaki. If you now want start to the insult, make 12 now the insult. Not consign us. That one not the rate again. Even if commenters read they say they'll comment. They'll say these two useless women. Milaki will say. Milaki still did this Facebook. Very long time because me I block her. She go dey talk. That one say mama say she go dey talk of you. She go dey talk of you self. Nobody dey wash her. She say she go come talk of you talk. She say nobody wash her. Wetin she come dey do? She go come dey. She go come dey talk of see wetin I dey use na those two things and now dey use for my body. This one for black. Black. I don't make up finish. I don't tire. On a shot serious. The become like say the makeup self too heavy. Because now I dey go after that. Now so Mila Akime, we will continue. I don't reach 1 hour now. Now, if you don't do live video, now you don't do 1 hour.
Mama.
But if you do ordinary ground, you know go agree say 1 hour.
Without promising ya, uga we benia. A boyfriend in a Okbaika exchange. Who I'm telling you, it's more than 100. They are more than 100. A boyfriend in Okbaika, no what promise. Yeah, the normal man wanna see that fire. Oh, that demon where they possess you towards Benin Kingdom, where they make you the throw bad words towards that great kingdom. That fire. I command that demon to come out of this national. Come out. Out.
Insult the day. Milaki, if you want insult the day now, which insult remove Benin Kingdom. Remove Benin Kingdom. Now you even they drag Kingdom put for your saga. Only you be the live video presenter when they drag Kingdom put for your saga. Remove Benin Kingdom. Saga a day. You know what Quand they say Benin Kingdom, when she go doctor say that they insult Ishan, you go one may use that one take get view. Everybody will come they say Ishan oh, and then Isha will see go there, say Benin people. una no dey shame. Benin people, Ishan people, una no dey shame. Now we won't be the Benin, now we get Edo State. You know, see, this one, she not from Benin. This one not from Edo State. Now they say Wahala, na you hold she and Okbeka. All the old Benin women when they do live video, now only this woman they talk of Benin kingdom. If this woman true be Benin, you know what they talk of Benin. Like me now, if people want to, people say you can never see Lovely talk of Ishan. Now therefore come, where for come? I want come they talk of her. I all put them for ground. I all they talk to where for come. You know they possible. If I dey talk to where for come, you know say I no be better pikin. You know say I no be better pikin. Let me check whether this hair will good for me. This hair, if it's not good for this makeup, I will wear another one. I will wear another hair. Yeah. Do. You are marvelous. You are bigger. What people call you. You are marvelous. You are bigger. What people call you. This one too white. Why you can't white like that? You're not supposed to white, so you're not supposed to white. Instead of Fanto insulted the day now, she go they say egwai. You yourself is lucky, not they talk of egwai. You yourself, you see the insult egwai. By bringing egwai. Toto the day now which why you they put egwai? If you can't put egwai, people will come they you now that one they call people because now that one might be your topic. Egwai, oh lovely, they insult egwai, oh lovely. Upon how you cause rich. Upon how you draw awareness rich. So if you come to talk on some time, they will talk say lovely not the insulted guy. Lovely not the insulted guy. They never see say lovely don't carry a guy. What it concern me concern a guy. I be this thing. I be kiss me. Now that one she take the enter so that people will follow and come they talk about a guy. She's one of those people when they throw mat give a guy. You mean like yeah. When you are asking because person when they use the papa, when they talk the papa tradition to foreigner, now they invite foreigner. Awe de nya oriowe ekenamo don you webo obomo toji. You see you see that music? Oriowe ekenamo don you webo obomo toji. Because na bad on motor. If you miss some on motor, he will say no. I don't fish go show you the ancestors. So if you want to enter there, you go run comot. You go say anything when you see for there, you take them. I don't feel follow you enter there. This one when this woman they come, and they put this thing foundation made for match my score. Those say sometimes if you wash them sometimes, the foundation will come comot. You know. Yeah. Now here we know how they mind me lucky. If me lucky, they say of you back tell me lucky say me talk another thing. Now that time when they say lovely, they insult palace. Now people come tell us say lovely not they talk for palace matter. Forget that one. Lovely can never talk for palace. What can we call palace? What we go a palace here. Now mat now yes say that they talk of palace. Now mat. You see, now people come when you go consider people come tell us say me like king. Forget lovely not they talk about palace. If you say if people come insult lovely, if some Benin people come insult lovely they insult them. Now that one I they know. But if you say lovely they talk of palace, lie. Now that palace now she they carry come that Benin, leave Benin. Leave be not the if you do saga, not they say egwai, not be your egwai. those stranger. Now that they use system they use. Now that they use system they saw that place. So later they go they say, "Egwaime, igbinan egwaime, a warrior we here. We're not been on egwai pa wo lucky." Eh? They insulted the day an useless woman like you. So if you want to insult the day well. But not be this, not the thought say egwai. No. Remove egwai for your mouth. Because now the same thing now you will take the day they do. You will take the day to what dog be quarrel. She will take the day come for abomination. They are abomination to social media. Avec des dénopolikiai, des killing fly and chopping it to killing fly and chopping it. They now witch with Milaki. Now so she tell they do that time. If I be person when be say I dey interested, come they do saga. As Milaki go come insult Ishan, I'll come they insult. You go they insult a guy for Ishan land. I'll come they talk to a guy for Bini. Now that one should be want. Now killing now. Other one, he can't want to make the put in nail for bad record. Say, lovely. One day when they say they do this, and a person who come and say, mama, one useless woman, they do video. Now say, he say, if they ask whether not lovely, they call you. Now people come to say, not be lovely. Lovely. Now you be this. He said, now you come say, not be lovely. Now they say, now one comment account say, you they talk. What you they talk? Well, lovely one can wash. You see, her resist when she they resist. I don't know who sent her. I don't know who she fighting for. Good morning, how you dey? I don't know who she they fight for. Her resist. I don't know. Benin people not send them. We did there to fight ourselves. In lovely, you the crazy, lovely the man. I'll tell that they say, not the crazy, not the man. Now the people when insult me for it, now they insult too. If you not insult person, even if they insult the rest, it not pay you. If they are for my personal person. I don't do the makeup finish. Oh, you go boy, because the cloth on I want wear. No one need this to go thin. No wear light cloth. You sure say this weather sweet so. Okay, be sweet. If the weather not sweet, if the weather not sweet, if I reach Amsterdam, I find something bad. No wear light cloth. Yeah, children, and our school they look so. The school where my children go that time, primary school. The children now they break. You see, huh? You not quick come, oh. Make I play gossip for you. Where Odion Lovett with Grace they gossip when they deal with the day now which because if the day now which not reach to gossip. Yeah, Victoria is in next thing.
Hello. Good evening.
If these two people want call themselves, waiting they just they do, they go put them for this thing and record it. They just they record themselves.
Evening, Doris. Okay, for now, sorry, Doris.
Now I see what you be telling. Okay, now almost Misha. Oh Jesus. Bro.
No secret house when I say you.
See, hypocrite people. Now I make me, I know they feel follow them because I be real, I don't feel they do hypocrisy. Those are hypocrisy people. I be real, I know they patient for irrelevant thing. Hypocrites? I can never. Me, if I want, I want. If I don't want, I tell you say I don't want. Hypocrisy? Hypocrites? You see, as Ojolove they record and so she still the record Ojolove too. Hypocrite people. I can't do it.
When they follow you, they make man Facebook. Yeah, so it be like those me.
So no, the one where the Monica screenshots. I've been
No, I don't know. Not be Monica, I don't know. This one I send, they send her for me.
You see, wait, that Ojolove no they find this woman house. She say this cloth no, I be iron this cloth. Don't they when I don't wash and finish now, just iron and put on for hanger. Ojolove no they look for Grace. Grace, Ojolove no they look for. You see that house for Europe. Ojolove no they look for that one. The one where Ojolove they look for. The one where this person built for Nigeria. Now Ojolove they look for. House for Europe. Ojolove no they look for house for Europe. Now house for Nigeria. Now she define. She don't know. Yeah. Yeah, Gracie, this cloth don't they tight me. Or this cloth don't tell. This cloth don't spend years. No, when you buy expensive things, it will last for you.
Monica don't show him. Look at face.
and I'm Monica screenshot this one now. I ain't doing yesterday.
Now happy send her this morning.
I'm Monica the screenshot yesterday. See how so person they live for Europe.
See Kate house and they follow mommy love, they make much. That be with the bad man.
Oh, I see how they screenshot yesterday. I say, oh, what a shame. Go finish them on.
A online video take cost me yesterday. Cost my husband.
I never watched that video. No, say I'm not there as yesterday. When I take come, nice. I take come back.
Just they deliberate on video where you do say now you carry me con, now you can't disgrace me, now you scatter me for Facebook, you just scatter my life, this, that. And no problem. You go see what you define. Say my womb, I don't go shop my womb. I mean I go meet like 5 people, me give me belly, one coffee get belly. You go see what you define. No worry.
I go live just now, just come back. I say make I rest more. I'll go live.
No worry. If you see who patient tell her, you go know say I go born to them tomorrow. It will shame. Like what I tell them say, any saga when we say my sister saga me or anything talk about me, that one a sister's story. It's not in my mind. It's not in their right to tell me that this is what my sister said. Not consign them. When they go do their own, talk their own, more we hear their own. They don't get anything they want to tell you.
They don't that fire up. Faith, where we can be 20 years childhood friend. They not quarrel. They don't not swear for her. They don't quarrel. They don't destroy themselves. And they come for her.
No one's friend. He saw Paika come tell us, see, me I write post before. I said I want to come and clear the general public. Now Paika now I want to talk to before. People call me.
What's it happen?
Now Paika because me I don't understand why every time Paika. He said Paika talk say waiting me talk, waiting me tell you where you take put on for live video for speakers so say no good. Say Paika say you follow me quarrel, say blame me. For where?
Yeah.
For where for follow me quarrel, for where for blame me. That is what I don't understand. So I'm not going to go live now. I write post that won't go live. I know. I say no. Me and you talk yesterday. You cause answer they do video call these people there today. That made me no talk for that matter again.
Okay, so like I tell her like that.
Tell her say yeah. The way I tell they tell you say now Kate do Kate and Rita do mercy. Say what you take put on for speaker. Say that word doing a talk. Say follow me quarrel. Say no good. For where for follow me quarrel the quarrel. Me I know.
And I understand.
No.
Okay.
You understand? You know what the person do? Tonight they talk.
Oh. No, so make a deal. Make a two face.
They surprise me. They shock me. They surprise me. That kind of do video. It also Paika say me they beat me way. Say because say I Buropo, but when they leave a brother. But it consign me.
It's not.
They don't know what they my mind. They don't know say what are the ways since as God don't give me. So if I manage born finish, they go see another grace.
I talk, no be like that one. I no go deny.
If you manage born, that means say you not get belly, you not trust yourself. Say the pikin go stay. Useless woman. She say she manage born. That means say you don't even know whether you go born the pikin safe. You can fool herself. Prophetess when he enter Facebook, he begin enter saga gang. Ah! Prophetess, he enter Facebook. Before you know, prophetess enter saga. Saga. You think say na my body now you want enter. You not go enter for my body. You can never end it in my body. You can never end it. You can never end it in my body. Grace, you not go fit end down for my body. Gracie, 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 Gracie. Don't see this Grace when you can't take come out for Facebook. She said she born finish, she go start saga again. Grace say when she go born finish, oh, she go start her saga again. Oh, I don't do my makeup finish. Not do lead. I just brush lead. This my makeup now. Oh, go. This my camera no good again. This my phone camera is not good. It's good. My people. When I don't see what did I talk? 12. I enter one something boss. They don't they fight. Oh, when I damn you, I can't wait, damn it, I can't. Anytime you are ready, your way. Oh, when I is that one. We could listen to this thing, Joe. Even Horishan. Today, I will use today, taste true. In disgrace, no get belly. I don't know, my personal person, you. I don't know. I don't know whether she get belly. You say if he manage born. No, see, I will get belly.
No be like that one. I no go deny that one. My kind of two face. You know, I know. I
not like that. Just carry the talk, the go, talk, the go. Because before this, the gum that matter so back as so. She talk.
No, Kate don't say talk. Kate don't say talk. That's true. They talk now. Kate don't say talk before now.
Now so they tell me, they say Kate don't talk more than 3 times.
He don't talk more than 3 times now. Sure. No be news now.
I don't know where for tell me that kind of thing. I know why you say.
I can destroy her.
I know why you say. Let me say that you want to go call me not good. I know you am.
Okay. I need go life for back. I beg you. Baika matter. No.
May they beat me.
Baika, there's no so Baika can.
May they beat me.
Baika na face. For that one, not true.
May they leave vision. May they. No problem. We will not be human being. No problem.
Baika na pretender. Not true face. I way be that.
Thank God.
Baika not be human being. Baika na human.
No, I just say make I.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, Jerry.
Disgrace. So now you will call the disgrace.
I don't even enter Facebook success. No?
Make you manage like that.
I don't even enter Facebook. I don't even know if you write that kind of post. I better rest. I don't fit talk. You know if you do video. You know if you do video, I beg.
No.
No water. If he call you, you complain to her. If he call you, that's why I see her rich. If she call you, tell her your mind. You understand?
You know, call me. Oh, the Kate no fit call me.
No, Baika, not the case. Baika.
Even when Kate they talk the matter that time, I tell her, I send her the voice because they record them. Say for me. I send her the voice. He said, I not mind now. Say it don't pass. Okay, keep bringing up different issues.
Okay, don't pass. No, see, because he's guilty. He said don't pass. But it's not good now.
Yeah, he said, I not mind now. I say don't pass. I said, yeah, no problem, don't pass.
You see, you know it's now. But you cannot say it one. He's talking.
No, he said don't pass.
No, see, I don't pass.
All these women there for Facebook, they just like by day corner, they do their own, they go, they get their click.
I'm telling you.
Like, what do women click? What do women click for Facebook?
Everybody, even the old women click, they don't run for Baika. Baika don't break over the knee. They don't run. Baika. If you use like cost of fish everywhere, Two-Face. Baika don't be better.
All of them, they wait too.
Go talk here. Baika, you're best though. Oh, your man, I know your man, I'm back. Since he said don't pass, don't forget. No, come because of that one they do. He never old, boy, they're stupid. You never old. 50-something years don't old. Hey, I don't understand.
No, for their side, it don't now old woman may deliver anything like me talk take.
50-something don't old.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not easy to reach 50 now.
Yeah. Our place 50 never old though. 50 now still young, now it's still young. 50 now still young for our place. Some people
50 see they marry.
Yes, now. Again, one woman, I'm not be 50, just see the love of your life. 50 never old though, for me, 50 something. Never old.
They think not further.
Yes, now.
50, they say not further.
I guess I will get one mama that time, now 50 something that time, 9 years or 8 years ago. If you see this mama, I'll go there. She can't dress. She not trouser today, forget. Your sister is small picking. If they cut back her old.
They don't leave themselves for all those women. They don't leave themselves.
If they back her old, me, I go to look at one can see her. Person never reach 60, not old. Person never reach 60, never old.
They're not 1 year.
She's where?
Maybe you know, say Facebook, they know they talk their real age.
No, Baika never reach 60. I bet you know, see, he face he down the eye. He body they show old age, but never old like that now. Never old. For my family, they not feel 50 something say old though. No, for my family, no. 50 something, it's still young now.
Yeah, young.
Now this Facebook me they see and say 50 something, they'll say it's not old.
They say they be old mama.
No. For my place, 70 years die, 80 years they'll say not old self. Even 80 years they'll say not old. Mama will die 80 something. That with me they talk and say mama not old self. I don't know for 50 something.
We say no old, you know enjoy rich. My own died for 68. You know old rich now they talk about.
Oh.
68, my mama for that.
Yeah, they claim old mama for there. Yeah, thank you, my sister. Though I hope you did okay, Sha. You are okay. I hope you are bouncing.
Okay.
they don't win.
Oh, Salova. Oh, Monohua Baika.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Doris. Okay, for now, sorry, Doris.
Let's see what the test is. Okay, now, almost finished. Oh, Jesus. Go. Yeah.
Adeo.
Hello.
You don't see Kate house when I send you. When they follow you, they make my Facebook. Yeah, so it be like those me.
Oh, no, the one where the Monica screenshot. I've been
No, I don't know. I'll be Monica. I don't know. This one I send, they send her for me.
Monica put up for her.
Monica, don't show her. Look at face.
and Monica screenshot this one. I ain't doing yesterday.
Now, happy send her this morning.
Monica the screenshot yesterday. See how so person they live for Europe.
See Kate house and they follow mommy love, they make mud. That is with the bad man.
Oh, I see how they screenshot yesterday. I said, oh, what a shame.
In live video, take cost me yesterday. Cost my husband.
I never watched that video. No, sir, not there as yesterday. When I take come, nice. I take come back.
Just they deliberate on video where you do. Say, now you carry me, now you can't disgrace me, now you scatter me for Facebook, you don't scatter my life, this, that. And no problem. You go see what you define. Say my womb, I don't go shop my womb. I mean, I go meet like 5 people, me give me belly, one coffee get belly. You go see what you define. No worry.
I go live just now. Just come back. I say make I rest more. I'll go live.
No worry. If you see who patient tell her, you go know say I go born to them tomorrow. You go shame. Like what you tell them say. Any saga when we say my sister saga me or anything talk about me, that one sister's story. It's not in my mind. It's not in their right to tell me that this is what my sister said. Not consign them. When they go do their own, talk their own, no, we hear their own. They don't get anything they want to tell me.
They don't fire up. Faith, where we have the 20 years childhood friend, they not quarrel. They don't not swear for her. They don't quarrel. They don't destroy themselves. And they come for her.
He said, Opaika, come tell him, say, me, I write post before. I said, I want to come and clear the general public. Now, Opaika, now I want to talk to before. People call me.
What's here?
Now, Opaika, because me, I don't understand why every time Opaika, he said, Opaika talk, say, waiting me tell you, when you take put on for live video, for speakers, so. Say no good. Say Opaika say follow me quarrel. Say blame me. For where?
Yeah.
For where? For follow me quarrel. For where? For blame me. That is what I don't understand. I don't go fit go life now. Alright, cool. That won't go life. I know. I say no. Me and you talk yesterday. You cause you answer. They do video call these people there today. That made me no talk for that matter.
Okay, so back and tell her like that.
Say tell her say the way I tell they tell you say now Kate do Kate and Rita do mercy. Say wait they put on for speaker. Say that word when I talk. Say follow me quarrel. Say no good. For where for follow me quarrel the quarrel. Me I know.
I understand. No. Okay.
You understand? You know what the person do now they talk.
Oh. No, so make a deal. Make a two-face.
They shock me. They surprise me. That time do video. It also Opaika say me they beat me well. Say because I have robo, but when they leave in brother. But it consign me. They don't know what to do, my mind. They don't know say what are the ways since as God don't give me. So if I manage born finish, they will see another grace.
I talk, I not be like that one. I not go deny that one.
Yeah.
But I can have two face. You know, I'm not
I'm not like that. Eh? You just the carry the talk, the go, talk, the go. Because before get the gum that matter, so back, so she talk.
No, Kate don't say talk. Kate don't say talk. That's true. They talk now. Kate don't say talk before now.
Now so they tell me, they say Kate don't talk more than 3 times.
He don't talk more than 3 times now. Sure. Not be news now.
I don't know where you for tell me that kind of thing. I know why you say.
Make a destroyer.
I know why you and say, let me say, that you want to go call me no good. I know you are.
Okay. I need go life for back. I beg you. Baika matter. No.
May they beat me.
Baika, there's not so Baika come.
May they beat me.
Baika na face. For that one, not true.
May they leave vision. May they.
You don't see Anna. You see the way when good morning, my person. You see the way when it take can't you comment upon how grace upon how you use upon how they shout you. You see manage. See me, oh, my personal person. If you ask me who I was, is it Diana? Diana, who I was? She manage bon. That they manage bon. Yeah. Na papa para. It's when they say my sister no get food for us. I be manage this food. Say she manage bon. That they manage bon. Since when they enter this year, now she get belly. Maybe her belly na her belly go be 12 months pregnancy. Make she born. Make she born, I good pass. If she born, so that you know go see hands today carry phone up and down. If she born now, if you keep go say yeah, you don't carry if you want gossip before, you go throw away phone. Grace, you could take away Esquire, disgrace. May you born. May you come say one day now, go carry you go market, go sell am. They say if you carry a goat come house, you not born before you go turn to Odegbe when you not born. Grace, before you go turn to Odegbe when you not born for Ishan land. Go carry you go market, go sell you. And I say where you go reach now. The people where you for marriage, marry when they go they talk say anytime you feel born, you feel not born. You know why they worry you? Because the man when you marry, the man don't forget wife. The man don't forget born pikin. Now only you I see for pastor when he collects somebody husband, come marry him. They come carry him on Facebook say, lovely, come see my husband. Lovely, I marry. I said that one a small boy. I have to marry a small boy. That one is my junior brother. Now you define husband, up and down. I make you carry that small boy, they marry him. Me, I don't need small boy. I don't need small boy. I need matured man. I make you the hustle up and down. I make you the disgrace yourself. I will say, you see, like as you wakarish where Jeremiah did, you see men like Jeremiah married that time. What did they do for Facebook? What do you want to do for Facebook? Nobody. I want manage bon. You the manage bon. I the manage bon. You the manage bon. Now, pa rice. When I say make you manage and sister, me don't manage this soup. Not let this soup can remain. It don't take. I want bon. I want bon. I want bon. May you bon grace. Bon. We not fit to say no bon oh. Not bon oh. Now every day they talk say grace. You get belly. May you bon. If you bon, may you they change pampers. Because your old age now. If you dey use and they pour energy for your pikin, when the pikin don't sleep now, so you come make bar for inside bed, you will come sleep because now old age now you want go to the nurse pikin if you born. You know say if old person they nurse pikin, now if you want come put pampers now you come forget some. If you want do and your hand go they do like this, may you born. Now be at the time I want born. Binio I want born. Isha I want born. Worry I want born. Kwala I want born. Robo I want born. Igbo I want born. Yoruba I want born. Hausa I want born. This thing I want born. Bayasta I want born. Ijo I want born. All the time you dey born. Now you carry fruit of the womb come Facebook. Fruit of the womb. You not see fruit. You not see womb. The tray when you take carry and come, you give her to Ojolovet. Ojolovet carry the tray. Throw where? See your life. Where that re bagbon ki re chan. Agbon re chan emieki. Agbon re chan emieki na wa miran re nye. O we kiki. Bon. Now if you can't wash for the bottle, you can't wash with the bottle, you can't do this one, you can't do this one. Even if say you get house help or somebody help you wash, if you wash and you check her like this, your mind not catch her, you go wash am by yourself again. May you born, may you know the one when we day. All this one when or John Love they record you every day, 24 hours, record. Once you don't call John Love, really say John Love day house. Or John Love, no card because some of them now. Like this my phone now when I dey use till they do this thing. I they cannot go outside because no need. This whole phone now has phone. Now it be internet no day. Once it come up for once I cannot come up for this my house. If you reach outside, it not go work. Now only to call. I can use it to call. And when I use a call, the money finish. I not go they put money. When I buy the card. That time, because that one when I first get, when I'm not going to remember the card again, I'm not remember any code. As I carry the card, put for this thing, they come see they ask me say put code. Now they quick command. The day when I come reach Amsterdam, I come whether they share like this thing, whether they sell phone. I come tell them say me they give me one like card. Now they can't give me like a card. Now the man come tell say make I put credit before it will work. As I reach my community for year, I go buy credit 5 euro. I put on. Since when I buy the credit 5 euro, it still they reach today. Now 5 euro still there because I'm not the user call. Now that 5 euro feed they there now reach 2 years because I don't want user call. I not go feed they pay internet for phone. They pay internet for house. I can't say they pay internet for this one. This one they have. This one a house phone. Why they explain this one so? Or the love oh. Now, if you get 2 phone for house, now you get 3 phone for house now. Now only one phone. Now she go get internet when she they carry the comma. Like the one when I think they do live video now. Now only this one I get outside the internet. Then I they carry on the come out. Because that one on my personal phone, you know. There or the love it now. No go carry phone follow body. Only yeah, you know carry phone follow body. Or if you carry phone follow body, make the user take the record. I don't know whether without the internet, whether the phone the record, I never try and maybe the record there. If you can't follow, but you go say no. If Grace call her, you go tell Grace say later. I dey busy now. Once you don't reach house, she will just call Grace. I don't reach house. You go just carry your phone. You don't put Grace for record. You just the record Grace. The way when she take the record Grace. Now that's the way night Grace say the record dambo. Not be only she get fault for recording. Kate the record. She the record. Yes. The time when you with Kate the quarrel, they are say Kate Grace. The time when with Grace the quarrel, I will say Grace get that time. Grace will still record her voice. Grace not get that time. You know say Grace now something when money not for the come out, Grace not they do like. If money no come out for that thing, I know Grace not they do. You know they do. Where money, the time when Grace one come they say one come they play or John Lovett record. That time, she go find person when she go they wash it brain. They brainwash. They tell her say she they give fruit of the womb. She go they deceive that one. You see, because she know they when Grace not get work. You no get shop, you no learn work, you no get office work, nothing. She just dey. She dey find people when she go they collect money for her hand. Now you see they are hypocrites. Whenever Grace enter carry phone, say you want call or John Lovett. More I don't know say na recording. The 12 they chop work record you. To record if Ojolovet they play Grace recording. I know they say Ojolovet why? Because me I know say Grace still get Ojolovet own. This one when they do so, this record the one that they do so. Now the time when he go Nigeria, when they settle back, when he go Nigeria, now this record, this one a new record, you not be old one, not be old one, because the time when Kate Conte is sought Grace, or Ojolovet with Grace, they don't already quarrel. You see, this record is a new one. If you see Ojolovet, now so they do one. See, you see the record, see Grace record, see, fien. And in fact, Ojolovet, they talk to Grace. She know what when she go follow and they talk. Ojolovet know if he carry herself come. The time if Grace bring record of Ojolovet come play now, you go know say that time the two of them don't BT say they go quarrel. And if he bring any disgrace record of Ojolovet come now, no problem. Because why? We know say that time when they saga me, nobody fit to say Ojolovet with Grace go quarrel. You get one person, you go say, Mama, you don't know the day when Ojolovet with Grace go quarrel. I thought say they go quarrel. Say, Mama, are you sure? I said they go quarrel. The day when they quarrel, and the person come me say, her mama, now wow. You thought say these two people go quarrel. I say yes, not time. Everything not time. I be see her. I don't say they go quarrel. I be see her official land. Anything when I talk, they come to pass. Now so they take bomb you. Not be Facebook. Now so life on time. You don't see her now. If you come the day tomorrow now, if I go this I don't know, be like saying I bitter leaf I want cook. Bitter leaf they hungry me. Or tomorrow I feel cook jollof rice. I don't know. If one food they hungry me, now that food go they chop. That food go tire me. Now jollof rice now. Inside last month with this month. Inside this month, I don't cook jollof rice 2 times. 2 times. The last one, you know, so if I cook and finish, I'll come wrap and I'll come put them for nylon, those small nylon bag when I think they keep something. I'll come load and put for inside fridge. Because I not just they put the jollof rice. You know, so some people go cook jollof rice finish and they go pack them, put for plastic. They'll put them for inside fridge like that. Me, I know they do one like that. If I want to do I will put small one for inside fridge. The one where be say as I cook am today now. The one when they go eat today, tomorrow. The one when they go eat tomorrow. You go finish. If it take for inside fridge, the one when remain now, when I leave, when I not put for inside fridge, it don't spoil now. I never even wash the pot. The pot inside fridge. Then what I'm going to do, I will share them. I will put some parts. I will wrap and put some part for inside freezer. Then the one when go the chop at that moment, I'll put them for inside fridge. I wish I know the time when I share and the one when I put for this thing, as it can't reach like yesterday, today, I for still take common for inside the rice. I can't just leave and that one now, you know, if we chop again. But the one when they inside fridge, I don't already chop that one finish. You see, anything when I cook, I must share into 2 parts. You say now 3 cups of rice now cook. Now 2 cups of rice I cook. I already cook and plenty. I think sometimes I will cook 3 cups of rice. Sometimes I will cook 3.5. Then I will share into 2 places. The one when I will put for inside freezer, now I go plenty past the one when I will put for inside fridge. I will come wrap them one by one. Wrap them one by one. Put them for inside nylon bag. Wrap them one by one. Nylon bag where they carry bread go work. Put them for there. Sometimes I will come tie and sometimes if it reach like 6, if it reach like 7, I come wrap them. Then I come put them for inside freezer. Then if you want go chop them, just carry them come out for inside freezer. No put them for ground, make it defroze. If you just carry them come out for inside freezer, put them for plate, just put them for inside microwave. If you just warm my, you be like say you dey cook am now. You get one person, he say, now me with the person come to talk, I don't tell him say I want jollof rice. He say, the jollof rice wey you cook that day, e still dey. Now come tell am say yes. He say he say how I do am. Say because the jollof rice don't take. Now come tell say yes, I put am for inside freezer. He say no, say you know they put for inside freezer. The day when you put for inside freezer, say the way when they put soup for inside freezer, then he put am for inside freezer like that. You know let am chop. Now come tell say how you take do am. He say when she come out for inside freezer, she come put am for ground, make it defroze. Now say no, as you put am for ground, make defroze na rice. That defroze where you go come defroze now, you go come wet the rice, you go come enter inside the rice because now water block now water. He say as e come one man, it's not to come get as e be. I say no. I say once you just take and come out for inside fridge, inside freezer, put am for plate, just put am direct. One man with the nylon bag together because the nylon bag that they use until they warm something, that they use plastic till they warm something. If you reach where we dey work, if you both carry bread come, if you want one man, you go put am with the plastic inside. One man small, carry am come for there. Now, if I eat yam remain, I know they put am for inside oven like that. I'll put am for inside plastic, and that is nylon bag. Put am for inside nylon bag. Put am for inside microwave. Warm am, e go fresh. E go be like say na that day now cook am. Now so I see they do rice. If I don't come on rice, and on only jollof rice I they do like that. I know they do white rice like that. Then if I just come out for inside freezer, put them for plate, put them for inside microwave, just do one. If you put them for 15 minutes, if you put them for 10 minutes, depends the way when you want make it take, you know, you go call warm. You go call even they may you know, it can't be like say it dey county, you know. That's why I say they warm man. If I just carry stew from fridge, freezer, put them for plate, carry and put for inside oven. That's why I tell they do. I know if I put them for ground, make ferment. No, if you put them for ground, make mint. It's not good. Even soup safe. If you put soup, if you come out soup for inside freezer, put them for ground, make it mint. You yourself, you know, because they like the taste again because the water when it mint come out for the food, it don't fall put for inside the food. You know, it comes sweet again. My people, now I come to Wahala. I will see you guys. You know, say, brown hair. Brown hair get the way when they do. Brown hair not they fit me. But I'll manage them. Not concern me. See you guys. One love. See you guys. Maybe later in the night we go gist.